Konnichiwa. Ian des. Let's learn some English in 3 minutes. So today we're looking at adjectives. We've already looked at adverbs, but these are adjectives. So what are they? They are describing words that you use with nouns. So an adverb adds detail to a verb. An adjective adds detail to a noun. And if you remember, a noun is really anything, an object, a place, a thing, a person, a name, and an adjective gives you more detail about that. So there you go, it gives us more information about a person, a place, or thing. So you'll be able to spot these from where they're placed in a sentence. It's normally before a noun. So if you can spot the noun, if there's a word before it, it's probably giving more detail. You can also find them after some verbs, but that's not too common. And you can also use more than one. So you'll see in a second, there's a big list. So let's go through some different types. First type is size. So think about a car. Big car, small car, tall car. These words help describe the noun. So you have size, you have age, old, young, youthful. Also got colour. Is it red, is it blue, is it a black car? Origin means where it's from. So is it a Japanese car, an English car? A material is it a metal car? Is it a paper car? Paper car. And the purpose means what's it for. It's a little confusing, but if you read the article down below, it'll make more sense. So if you have a word of ing on the end, it helps us understand a bit more. So walking, running, if you have a shoe, you have this before, is it a walking shoe? Is it a running shoe? This word helps you give more detail about what type of shoe it is, because shoe is a noun. But the big thing here is the order you use them. You have to get the order right, or it sounds weird. Now this looks very complicated, and it kind of is. So if we want to talk about a car, and you want to use adjectives, you have to use them in this order. So you don't have to use all of them, but if you want to use more than one, you have to use this list. You can use as many as you want, but as long as it's in this order, it's good. So you can say it's a big, old, red, metal car. If you say it's a Japanese, old, big car, doesn't sound right. It'll take a bit of while to get used to this order, but it's important. And I wouldn't really worry about it. I was never taught the order. I didn't even realise there was an order until I learned it and was like, oh, how did I naturally know that? Lots of immersion. Just keep listening and you will understand what sounds weird and what sounds good. Big red car. Red big car. You just have to listen to a lot of English, but you will get there. So that was a lot of information very quickly. Maybe more than 3 minutes. But the article below goes into lots of detail. Arigato. Matane.